So you can see, this is the permanent place we relocated those beds to. So I noticed that this particular bed here cannot stand. This one cannot stand well, so I had to bring the drinker down to it. You can see it's even rushing the water because it's very thirsty. It's very thirsty. So one leg is bad already. So, but I think the bed is healthy. It's okay. So we take particular attention on this. Pay particular attention on it to make sure it doesn't lack anything. So on our inspection, you can see these beds you're seeing here now, they are 5 weeks. 5 weeks old. This new week, they are going to their 6th week. But I think they are not doing bad. They are okay. You can see, they're not doing bad at all.
Yeah.
So by next week, we'll start selling. We'll start selling them by next week. So, like this now.